Hello everyone, it's Jama Malmy. Thanks for joining me for another scrapbook process video. I'm glad you're here today. We are going to be working with this kit called Remember Today, and this was designed to be a calendar kit. So there are 13 single layouts, one for each month plus a cover page, but I don't use this as a calendar. This is a kit that Close to My Heart comes out with every year, and I love it, and I use it just to create the layouts. But I always put my twist on them. As you may know, if you watch my channel, I love putting my own twist on kits, and so that's what we're going to do today. I'm showing you what comes in the kit. You get the photo placeholders in case you're not going to add your photos right away. You get all of the die cut mats and stuff like that. This is stickers, and they are very clearly labeled which they go to. Those stickers are for the calendar. It's all the days of the month if you are going to make a calendar. And then here are more stickers. And then we also have die cuts, and these are easy to punch out shapes. So it helps to add some dimension to your pages. You can put them up on foam squares if you want. I do a variety of foam squares or just regular adhesive. These are the die cuts we'll need for today. And then I'm just going to go through all of the die cut sheets so you can see everything that comes in the kit. You get lots of good stuff, and it makes it really easy to put these layouts together. So the idea of these kits is called a cut above kit. Everything is designed for you and pre-cut and stickers, and all you have to do is find the pieces for the layout you're doing and put it together following the guide that comes with the kit. It's very easy. This is the base page of what we're creating today. So you can see all of those butterflies are already printed on there. This is another base page with some watercolor look on it. So you can see that a lot of the guesswork is done for you, and it's easy to put these together. So it's really quick scrapbooking if you're short on time and want to get some pages done. But I'm going to show you how to make the pages your own and maybe fit different size photos, add a little bit of extra embellishing, and kind of zhuzh them up a little bit. So this is what I like to do. I like to cut out the block of stickers that we're going to need and put everything that I'm going to need for the layout I'm working on aside so that I have everything that I need. Now I'm going to work on my Versamat just so that I have some stability and I have those measuring guides on the side. I just put a tiny bit of tape runner on the corners and on the bottom to hold it in place, and then that's easy to rub off at the end. I'm using this photo of my daughter and I. It is a single 4x6, and if you notice, the guide wanted you to use 2 smaller photos. So this is the first change I'm making, and since the photo mats obviously are going to be too small for the 4x6, I made my own photo mat, and I like to double mat anyway. When I have a darker background in my photos, I like to add a white photo mat to help it pop off the page. And then I also added a wild berry photo mat to go with the wild berry in our pants and those butterflies over on the far left. There are also some other butterflies in those pop out, what do you call them, die cuts that you put on the other butterflies that are already on the page, and it just helps to add a little bit of dimension. So you'll see I'm going to add some foam squares under them in a bit. I pulled in a few other things from my stash. I love doing that with these kits. They play very well with lots of other products. And so I had this daughter sticker that has been in my stash forever, and I really wanted to use that. So I was trying to figure out how to do it, and I think that Happy Daughter will work. Even though I think in this photo I was happier because I finally found matching LuLaRoe leggings for my daughter and I. Do you remember when those were all the rage? I'm totally over them now, but this was 2016 at the peak of LuLaRoe, and I had found the first matching set for my daughter and I. So we took this cute little photo in the backyard, and we were both super happy to be little matchy-matchy. And the colors in the leggings were perfect for the new wild berry color, so I was happy to have this page to put them on. Now, these black chipboard pieces are from the Every Little Thing collection, which is from a couple of years ago. And I'm just pulling out some that I think might work. I know I'm not going to use all of them because that was a little bit too much black, but I wanted to have a little bit more pops of black on my page. And I also wanted to create a visual triangle because we had the happy title in black, that little tag peeking out in black, and I wanted to have something else, at least one other little black thing to make a visual triangle around the photo. So I'll be doing that. Now here I'm adding a little bit of 3D foam behind each of those little butterfly die cuts that we added to the background. And I did it to each one. I just didn't show it all. And then I'm going to stick down the happy and figure out where I want the placement of my other little small embellishments. This is another sticker that came on that daughter sticker sheet, and then some of the black hearts that were from that chipboard punch out sheet that I had. And then I'm going to add some black splatters. So I added my craft mat underneath so that I wouldn't get splatters all over the place. And since the top left of this layout is a little bit bare, I added some splatters up there to kind of fill that in, and I think that that makes a perfect little finishing touch there. You can also use the splatters on that stamp set if you like a little bit more control with your splatters. For the journaling, I use these little sticker strips, and they come with the kit. I love this concept, and I want sticker strips for all my journaling. I just want a whole sheet of strips like this. But these two little strips come with a sticker sheet for you to do your journaling on and then add them to the page. So I did that quickly. And then as an added finishing touch, I'm adding a little bit of this, I think it's crochet thread. I was at my friend Stephanie's house when I was creating this, and she had this in her stash, and it was just perfect for what I wanted. I just wanted to finish off this little tag and make it feel finished by tying some thread through it. And so this wild berry color was just perfect. You could use gold embellishing thread or any gold thread that you have as well. I like that it's just the top of the tag, so it looks like you've got the look of a tag, but it just is very easy to kind of slide under your photo there. And that is part of the die cuts that come with the kit as well. I'm gonna just add one more finishing touch. I know I keep saying finishing touch. There's lots of little finishing touches. These wild berry flower sequins are so cute. The wild berry is the color of the year from close to my heart, and I just love it. And so there's lots of fun little goodies that you can get in this color, and I think that these little flowers finish it off perfectly. Here's another look at what the layout was supposed to look like in the guide and my changes on it. It's very similar, and it still came together very quickly, but I just did a little bit of extra embellishing, changed the size of the photo, and just made it a little bit more fun, I think. This is a great kit if you're new to scrapbooking, and even if you're not, it's just some quick and easy layouts that you can zhuzh up like I did. So here is a final look, and if you're interested in this kit, I will have it linked down below. I've listed here a couple other videos I think you might enjoy, and if you liked this video, I hope you will give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks, and have a great day.